Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix all Instagram stories problems. So all what you have to do is so simple, so please keep watching until the end and I am sure that the problem is gonna be fixed. So all what you have to do is go to the settings on your phone and then go to apps manager, go to apps in the top, and then right here on this page you will find many apps. Choose Instagram, and then all what you have to do is go to the permissions right here and make sure to enable all those permissions as you can see, and then go back, click on data usage and make sure to enable the mobile data and Wi-Fi, and then go back again, click on storage and click on clear data and clear cache, go back, and the last step is click on power usage details and make sure to enable this option right here, and for the app launch make it manage automatically like this. Make sure that this option here is enabled. And yeah, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe.